who is not snoring? Once we reach a certain age, everybody goes. Millions of people are snoring, but there is something that can help. So what we have in dentistry, we had night lace, which is photonal laser, and we basically can help with tightening the collagen that is in the back of the mouth on a soft palate, and you can have relief from snoring, or you can help with sleep apnea. So it's quite interesting, something that we have, and I'm going to show you the machine here. This is our photona here, and this is the handpiece that we use. So basically a laser, this is placed in your mouth like that. And we do it over the soft palate, and we do it over the tongue as well. This is natural cosmetic dentistry. Come follow us for more.